The Dodge Charger Daytona is a beautiful all-electric vehicle from Stellantis, and it's been a lot in the news lately. Apparently, the vehicle suffers from a few electrical gremlins, which apparently you have to bring to the dealership, have your software updated, and then you have a beautiful, nice, all EV vehicle. This one is on sale for $48,000. It's a Dodge Charger Daytona RT, and this is a 2025. It's fully loaded. Apart from purchasing the vehicle outright, you can also lease this vehicle, and they need just $2,500 when you sign the lease, and the monthly payment is $599, and that's for a 36-month term. You're allowed 10,000 miles a year. And this is just such a beautiful vehicle. I am still to see one on the road, so they are still quite rare. I don't think that many were produced. But what most people were waiting for was to have this body style, but with a gas engine. This one has artificial sounds that it produces when you start up the vehicle, and as you are driving, it mimics the sounds that a normal V8 from Mopar would make or would have made. But the purists are calling for a pure gas engine, not even a hybrid engine, and it's up to Stellantis, and we'll be watching to see what they decide to do finally. This one has all-wheel drive, so it has electric motors up front and in the rear. And don't let the appearances deceive you. This is a very big vehicle, big and impressive. I think this should even be bigger than the outgoing Challenger. And it also sits higher, as you guys can see. It's got a massive door up front. It has this beautiful hood scoop, and the air literally goes through the hood, as you guys can see. Anyways, that was just a quick look at the 2025 Dodge Charger RT Stage 1. Quite a mouthful. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. Bye.